It's weird how the more easily someone gets mad, the more others can tick them off. Saying bye to bed is the hardest part in every morning. Some goodbye goes with bad manner. So, was this your idea of keeping your promise for a quiet friend? You'll often find a close friend behind the girl-obsessed one, always reeling them back to reality.
Man, if I had your long fingers, I wouldn't be bugging you for food.
Wait for it. Some kinds of trolling only go down between super tight friends, like super tight. Remember, never push it with your stylist. That's just asking for trouble. Not a wise move, really.
Smells really good. What are you doing?
Estamos haciéndole su comida.
Is this for them?
Para mi tesoro, sí.
I'm
No
not
lo
gonna
toques.
touch her.
No lo.
Human, we've talked about this once. I gotta mess you guys up before you ruin this house.
Stone can be seen as a key, and it unlocks chaos and commotion, not doors. Imagine when you love a Kung Fu Pro girl and ignore her for over an hour. Instead of Dog Park, this place should be called Dog Studio, as the pups here are such amazing actors.
Gunner.
Even obedient ones have their limits. Looks like Mr. Donor is up for a long doggy vacation.
Gunner.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
Thankfully, I'm not living next to this doggy singer, cause I can't sleep with that lullaby.
Let's go. Inside. Come on.
Tail is the ultimate sassy weapon of an angry dog. If there wasn't this whole struggle thing, maybe siblings wouldn't be really siblings at all. Mom? Dad? Am I invisible here? Why not share a hug? If you need to practice patience while working, ask her to lend you this pup for a day.
No. No. Oh.
One thing you gotta know, anger in words is not as strong as anger in actions.
Раньше говорили, если у собаки черный рот, то она злая. Ты чё, злая, а?
This is likely how grumpy close friends roll every time they hang out.
那边又就放假了，我靠，洗几个小狗天天打，哦。
Bad vibes spread, so you better keep your pet away from those angry ones.
Are you serious?
Wearing the same outfit seems like a no-go, even if that wearer is your sibling.
You haven't even had this toy for an hour.
When someone's got your back, it's easy to get bossy. That's why solo's the way to go. It takes time to accept the sudden big bro role. This is the common thing.
Can you get out of the car now? Can you come inside? Ollie, he's not that bad, I promise. Come on, come inside. Come on, get out of the car.
Прям вообще не пойдешь?
The first lesson of the nanny training session. Thing isn't that hard until... Pug's way of showing love usually involves teeth and claws, just to mark the friendship. The clear motto is, anything getting close to my gal is up to no good for sure. When the owners are buds, but their dogs can't stand each other, meetings get hella awkward. No one likes getting teased by their loved rival. It's a buzzkill for sure. Turns out the sneaky culprit behind the torn saddle is fluffier and cuter than expected. Little guy had a meal just 2 hours ago, but acts like he's been starving for days. The irritation is scary, yes, but when mom is serious, that's a whole other level. Get your grumpy pet a hedgehog buddy and watch that anger disappear. And do you know why?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
This is the best way to quiet your pup down. And thanks for tuning in.